how to see all of the comments that you have commented on every single YouTube video. You want to first go ahead and open up the YouTube app, and then from here, what we need to do is go ahead and click on your profile button on the top right hand corner. Now from here, you want to go down and click on the settings option. And then now once you're in settings, what we're going to do is go ahead and click on this option. Right over here it says manage all history. We want to click on that. And now that's going to lead us into our YouTube history advanced settings. We can dismiss that. And then basically right over here, we're in the history button. We can see all of your YouTube history. So from here, we want to go ahead and click on interactions on the right hand side. That's going to bring you into all of your interactions in your YouTube channel, where we can go ahead and click on comments and replies. And so as you can see here, you're going to see all of your comments that you have actually left on all the videos. And if you want to delete your comment, you can simply click on this X button on the right hand side, and you can essentially go ahead and scroll through all these and look at all the comments that you have left in your account.